A federal judge says the Trump administration must continue reimbursing Planned Parenthood clinics for Medicaid funding expenses. It's a temporary win for the state's largest abortion provider that just permanently shut down 5 Northern California clinics because of a loss in federal funding. Monica Madden has the latest on what this could mean for the state.
As Planned Parenthood faces funding cuts that are shuttering clinics nationwide,
this is devastating.
Healthcare providers say California's future as a reproductive rights haven is at risk.
I think it will be much more difficult for the accessibility, but we're seeing in so many states across the country where they are surrounded by states that have already passed similar abortion bans that people are already feeling the squeeze. People are dying.
With cuts from President Trump's big, beautiful bill, Planned Parenthood closed 35 health centers, including 5 in Northern California. The Trump administration has said the government should not fund organizations focused on, quote, political advocacy.
Planned Parenthood is not just an abortion provider, it's so much more.
Emergency room physicians say impacts will be more far-ranging.
People are going to realize that they have nowhere else to go except the emergency department. And that's where we come in. The emergency department safety net has already become so overburdened and strained with people waiting 12 hours in the emergency room.
This always affects the people who have the least because Medicaid funding, Medicare funding, that goes to people who are very, very poor.
California Planned Parenthood stands to lose $300 million in federal funds, depending on the outcomes of legal fights. And about 80% of Planned Parenthood California patients use Medicaid.
This reproductive health care covers more than just abortion. It covers contraception. It covers breast cancer screening. It covers care for endometriosis, PPD, all kinds of things.
Reproductive rights advocates like Christina Lee say providers must stay vigilant.
Whenever there are cuts, it's just so much more of a struggle to get funding back after they, decide to make do with the lesser amounts.
And keep in mind, U.S. law already prohibits federal dollars from being used for abortions with very limited exceptions. But in this lawsuit, Planned Parenthood says these cuts violate their Fifth Amendment rights since smaller providers did not see the same cuts.